Hello guys and welcome back to Cha-Ching. This is a very special episode because our last episode of this series.
Bonjour! Thank you so much for sending in all your responses to the last challenge. Wow, can't believe I'm saying that for the last time.
Wow, you guys have such amazing ambitions and your detailed action plans have really inspired me. I decided to combine my love for sports and business and applied for a sports business program this summer. I just pray that I get accepted. It will be the first step to achieving my dream of one day managing a football team.
Speaking of managing, I read an article last night about a man who won the lottery and 1 year later he lost all the money. He could have used some Cha-Ching money management tips.
What? That's impossible. How?
With some bad decisions. He threw away all his money on private jets and parties, and before he knew it, his bank account was empty.
Well, that's just silly. Hasn't he ever heard about the Cha-Cha choices?
Cha-Cha choices? Think someone's been getting too enthusiastic with the Cha-Ching songs.
So basically, Cha-Cha choices are the choices that make you want to go Cha-Ching! To live a successful life, you have to make a series of choices that put you on the right path.
That's actually a really memorable way to show the importance of choices. Tell us more.
Well, for example, if you say you want to be a doctor, you have to work very hard and pay attention in science lessons, even when everyone else is getting distracted. Then, when you get good grades, you can go to a good university, study medicine, and before you know it, you're a doctor.
Exactly, like in the article I read, instead of setting goals and making decisions to put him on the money growing path, he made terrible choices which have resulted in all his money right down the drain.
Even the tiniest decisions can have a massive effect on where you end up. So you have to be as disciplined as possible.
Yup, that's it. Now let's head over to the Cha-Ching band for the final time to see what they have to say about Cha choices. And for the last time, our friends will be joining us after the break.
Step inside, young lady. Let me show you a future that might be a happy and rewarding life, or something far more dreary.
But wait, which one of these is my future?
My child, I cannot tell you that. It depends which path in life you take. Your future is up to you and the choices that you make.
Choices that we make can change the path our life takes. Different choices made today lift you up and away. Choose. Think about what will happen next. It's up to you. It's about your future, your choice. Everything that happens in my future depends on what my choices are. The choices I make today. Eating ice cream, give myself a snack. Tasty treat now or a bit more in the bank.
What should I do?
Here's another choice to make. Playing tennis with my friends, working hard to make some money instead. Tennis balls or cookie stones.
What should I do?
Here's another choice to make. Donate my time and money to help, or spend that time investing in myself. My study or charity.
What should I do?
Choices that we make can change the path our life takes. Different choices made today lift you up and away. Choose. The future's in my hands. It's up to you. So now's my chance. I'm gonna make good choices, spend wisely and save. Work hard so I can earn and make money from my passion. Donate my time and money to others who are in need. Study hard, invest in myself and what I want to be. Choices, not blow my money, not blow my money. Make good choices, it can be hard at times, but you can succeed.
choose?
Wow, Cha-Ching went out with a bang in that video. Bumi, what did you learn from that?
That I have power over my future through my choices.
Great, and through discipline and making the right choices, that future will be very bright.
But how do I develop discipline? Through my choices.
Good question. You can start by planning. At my old school, they used to say, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Having a financial budget and a study timetable are two really useful planning tricks.
Also, try and avoid temptation. If you know that you spend all your money on candy, then try to walk home a different way so that you don't walk past a candy shop and end up spending all your money.
Choices have consequences, and you need to make the choices that will result in the life you want to live. Today's activity is going to show us just how that works. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah!
Alrighty guys, for this activity, 2 scenarios will be displayed on the screen and each individual decides which scenario to go for.
So guys, this activity is all about making choices that will lead to your desired goal. So have that in mind. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's head to the first one. So your goal is to get an A+ on your test. The night before the test, do you spend your time studying or out playing with friends? You have 5 seconds to decide. Let's do some thinking. And yes, guys, A is the better choice. If you want those grades, you have to put in the work. On to the next.
Okay, your goal is to save up and buy an iPad. Should you spend all your money on candy or should you save all your extra money in your piggy bank? 5 seconds.
And yes, guys, B is the better choice. B for better. We all love candy, but if you want to reach your goal, you have to keep that money in your piggy bank. And our third scenario, this is an interesting one. Your goal is to win all the races on your school sports day. So when you go shopping for trainers, do you A, get the trainers which are amazing for running, but don't look too good, or go for the super fancy trendy trainers and be the coolest kid on sports day? Which one would you decide? Let's see. Wow, guys, great choices. You guys, wow, amazing. It's not a fashion show, it is sports day, so A is the correct answer.
Personally, I would go for the designer shoes because I'm fast either way. But yeah, let's move on to the next one.
And guys, never do what Emeka would do, okay.
Okay, so your goal is to become a doctor. Should you A, play football with your friends, or B, study and be good at chemistry?
Ooh, we had a little change there, Miriam, but yes, B is the correct answer. In order to reach your goal of becoming a doctor, studying, especially in science subjects, is very important for you to go to the right school to become a doctor. And on to our final scenario. So now you've decided you want to become really fit and healthy. So for your Monday morning breakfast, should you have a bowl of fruit or should you go for a tasty bar of chocolate? Which one will lead to your goal? Yes, guys, you are correct. Fruit would be a much healthier option and it'll keep you full throughout the day. That was a fun game, wasn't it, guys?
Yeah!
It certainly seems like you had fun because you got all the answers correct. Well done. I hope you guys now understand how massive an impact the littlest choices can make. You have power over your future, not anyone else. And if there's one thing you remember from Cha-Ching, it should be that.
This may be the end of the Cha-Ching series, but it doesn't have to be the end of your entrepreneurship journey. Get a JA program running in your school. Or you can dive right in with the JAD program, our digital entrepreneurship program. Also, the Cha-Ching game is available for you to download. And don't worry, you don't have to miss us for too long, as we'll be back with our new show, the Junior Billionaires Club.
Et pour notre merveilleux public français, merci beaucoup pour votre soutien. Tous nos programmes de JA Afrique sont disponibles en français, donc n'hésitez pas à nous contacter. Au revoir!
Bye everyone, and remember,
When you make good choices, everyone rejoices!